This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall JDK 22 on Linux operating system. We will see how to identify the installation path of JDK 22 and removing JDK 22, updating environment variables and verifying the uninstallation. Here you can see Amazon AWS console, and here you can see the EC2 instance which is running. Copy this IPv4 address. Using Putty software, log into Amazon EC2 instance. I have successfully logged into Amazon EC2 instance. Open WinSCP. Click on Login to log into Amazon EC2 instance. Step 1 is identify the installation path. Before uninstalling JDK 22, you need to confirm where it is installed. If you installed it manually, it is usually located in out folder or a custom directory. To check the Java installation path, we can run the command sudo update alternatives config java. This will list different Java versions installed in the Linux server and their paths. From that, identify JDK 22 path, which will be something like out folder JDK 22. Run this command, and here you can see JDK 22 is installed in out folder. Click on root, out folder, and here you can see JDK 22 is installed. Step 2 is remove JDK 22. For that, navigate to installation directory. If JDK 22 was installed manually using tar.gz file, you can simply delete the folder. Navigate to the directory where JDK 22 is installed, which is out folder. Then remove JDK 22 directory using sudo remove command. This will completely remove JDK 22 installation. If you see, JDK 22 folder is completely removed. Click on refresh, and here you can see JDK 22 folder is removed. Step 3 is remove environment variables. If you had set environment variables like Java Home for JDK 22, then you should remove or update them. For that, open the environment variable file. Usually it will be profile or bash rc. Depending on where you set them, open that particular file using sudo nano command. Then locate JDK 22 related lines and remove or comment out those lines. Then save and exit the changes by pressing Ctrl and X. Then Y to confirm the changes. Then press Enter to save the changes. Then reload the environment variables using this command. Open the profile file using this command. Remove JDK 22 related lines. Ctrl and X. Y to confirm the changes. Then press Enter. Run this command to reload the environment variables in this particular session. Step 4 is update alternatives. Remove Java alternative. If JDK 22 was added to the alternative system, remove it using this particular command. Remove Java C alternative. We can remove Java C alternative using this particular command. Copy this folder name. Step 5 is verify the uninstallation. To verify the uninstallation, you have to run the command java-version. And if JDK22 was the only Java version installed, this command will return error message or point to a different Java version if installed. We got error message saying command not found. From this we can confirm JDK22 is successfully uninstalled. So the conclusion is, by following these steps, you should have successfully uninstalled JDK22 from your Linux system. If you need to switch to another JDK version, you can install it and update your Java home and alternatives accordingly. Regularly maintaining your Linux system by removing unused software helps keep it clean and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.